Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Can you believe that we are planning for the last week of 2017? It is crazy to me because I feel like I still haven't even gotten adjusted to being in 2017. I'm still thinking I'm living in 2016. 2015 for that matter. I'm gonna go ahead and apologize for my nails. I know they look crazy. This one like cut in half, but I was debating on whether to get a fill-in or not, and I'm just gonna let them fall off. I'm not a nail person. Like the only reason I have these on is because it was my sister's wedding, and you know we had to get our nails done. So I didn't even do my monthly this week or this month, but yeah, we had to get our nails done. So I was like, well, maybe I'll get them filled in, but now I'm just like, no, I'm just gonna let them fall off. I don't want to pull them off myself because I don't know. I feel like they're not gonna look right, and I feel like they're gonna look even worse if I try to do that myself. But okay, I think that's a little better. Anyways, I'm sorry for the weird lighting. I'm actually not at home this week. I am house sitting. So yeah, I'm on a I have like a light over the camera, but it's still kind of weird. It's causing like shading or whatnot. But anyways, hopefully that won't be too bad. So I'm kind of confused about what to do this week because, you know, it is New Year's and Christmas, and usually I'll decorate for Christmas and then I'll decorate for New Year's, but you know, it's kind of combining the two. So yeah, I don't really know how it's gonna work out, but I went ahead and pulled out the rest of the little die cuts that I had left from this Michaels pack that I had. Here, let me show you. It's these. I had bought these a few weeks ago, probably like at the beginning of December. So they came with all these die cuts. I bought 2 of them, and they have this like Merry Christmas one, if I can grab it. So I kind of wanted to use that, but I don't know. So we have that, and then we have the little Christmas tree, which I used in another plan with me, and then I have these leftover flowers from another plan with me that I did, and there's other ones in there, but these are the ones that I kind of liked. All right, so I changed the angle a little bit in hopes that the shadowing wouldn't be as bad, but I'm going to start off with this washi. It's gold. I feel like I've used this a few times, and this came in a Michaels pack. And I'm actually filming this the day after Christmas because I didn't really do anything yesterday. I mean, I went to my mom's house and stuff, but we normally celebrate Christmas. Oh, something's wrong with this washi. It's not sticky anymore. We normally celebrate Christmas on Christmas Eve, so we do all of our festivities and opening presents on Christmas Eve. So whatever, there's a space, but whatever. So yeah, we ended up doing all of that the day before. So Monday was just kind of like a really chill day. You know, like I said, went to my mom's house and just had leftovers and played Mario Karts, and yeah, that was basically it. Sunday, you know, we did have a dinner and we opened presents, and we do a white elephant. So white elephant is kind of like a more recent tradition that we started doing. My now brother-in-law, Ed, had introduced us to it a couple years ago. So it's become like a family favorite, and we look forward to doing it every year. And I actually did vlog a little bit of that, so I will hopefully have that up sometime soon. I still have to put up my other vlogs, my October and November vlog, which I actually have edited. I just haven't posted it. All right, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and just glue this down right here. I know it's not gonna go with like a New Year's themed spread, but I want to use it. So okay, so I don't really have anything big going on this week. This week is actually going to be really chill, especially since I'm not at home. I don't have to work today, and for the weekend, I don't really have anything planned. My friend is coming into town from Seattle, and we're going to hang out on Saturday, but that's like the biggest thing that I have planned so far. You know, and obviously Sunday's New Year's Eve, but I haven't really confirmed what my plans are going to be. Okay, hold on. Let me see if I have like a New Year's Eve sticker somewhere. Okay, so I just looked and there is a New Year's Eve sticker in this student sticker book. It's kind of small, but I guess we'll work with it. Oh, you know what? Okay. Let me use this little hat. Oh no. Oh, well, okay. Guess that's just how it's gonna have to stay. Maybe I'll put something down here. I don't know yet. So I put the stars on. I think I'm gonna leave that like that for right now. And then I'm just going to put a checkbox on some things that I need to do at some point today or tomorrow. I need to return some bedding that I bought my sister and her husband because it's the wrong size. So I'm gonna find a checklist for that. So I'm back in the student sticker book, and I kind of want to use this to bring in the red, but it's not the same. It's not the same red. I'm gonna just peel it off and see what it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the sticker book. I got this a really long time ago. I don't even know if they still sell this or not. I think they do. But I'm gonna grab this gold foiled checklist because I couldn't find another sticker book that had one. And I'm going to put that for Friday because there's a few things that I want to get done before the new year. I mean, I guess I could do it Saturday too, but a lot of this stuff I want to get done Friday. Saturday, I kind of just want to clean. My mom always used to say, like, if you bring in the new year with like a dirty house, you're like, I don't know, like cursed to have a dirty house for the rest of the year or something like that. I don't know. So anyways, we always try and clean before the new year. But Friday, there's a few things that I want to do. Like my car is a hot mess. Like I haven't washed it since like the beginning of December. And it still has, or actually since even before the wedding. So there's still like wedding stuff in there. And then there's like like pine, the Christmas tree pine thingies in there. So that's one of the top things that I want to do. I want to get my car wash. I didn't do that ratio. Okay, but whatever. It's so weird. I feel like I write better when I'm not filming, and I feel like when I film, my writing looks like trash. But anyways, and then I know Friday I have to. I don't work on Fridays, but we're getting a new EMR system. If you've been following my channel for a while, I did mention that we got a new EHR system at our job, and it was hell. And it hasn't been a good system, so we're switching again. Which, like, I'm kind of glad that we are, because the other one sucked, but it's so overwhelming having to switch everyone's medical records and put everything back in. So I'm not looking forward to that. But anyways, we're having training for that on Friday. So I have to figure out how I'm going to put that in. And this is from the productivity sticker book, if you were wondering. I don't know if I like how it's like black and black, but like how that kind of is the same, but whatever. I'm gonna just deal with it because I don't feel like looking for something else. Alright, since I said I kind of want to clean before the New Year's, I saw this weekend project sticker right here. So I thought that maybe I could just use this to like write out the things that I want to clean, since it's not something that I would do. Like, I feel like I'd want to do it on Saturday, but I feel like I'll probably end up carrying it to Sunday too. So I thought this was just a good way to kind of put it on here, you know, because it won't necessarily mean that I have to do it on one particular day. Okay, so I think I'm gonna leave it like this for now, but since it is looking kind of bare, I think I want to add this part of the flower right here, just to kind of bring in the red from over here. So I think I'm gonna just go ahead and do that. Hopefully I don't need this space to write anything, but it won't be the end of the world. I think I'm cutting oops, I cut the paper. I live on the hot mess express, you guys, I'm telling you. Okay, so yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna do for right now. Alright, you guys, so that is it for this spread. Make sure you follow me on Instagram so that you can see the finished result. I will leave that link down below for you guys, as well as probably put it somewhere on here on the page. Yeah, I hope you guys had a nice Christmas. I hope you guys have an awesome New Year. Please be safe. Don't drink and drive. Don't text and drive. All that stuff. Make sure you have a designated driver. Yeah, I don't know what else to tell you guys. Just please be safe. And I look forward to doing more videos in the new year. I do have a planner lineup that I want to do, and the January spread, as well as planner setup videos. It's just with these nails, I'm just like, I want to get these taken off before I start doing more videos. But if they don't come off, then I'll just go ahead and do them with my raggedy looking nails. But anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I love interacting with you guys. I hope you have an awesome new year, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.